Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sumifs Google Sheets, updated. Open your Google Sheets file, select the sum range and the criteria ranges, and ensure headers are clear. I will show how to write the Sumifs formula, use text and numeric criteria, apply wildcards, and troubleshoot common errors like mismatched ranges. Follow along with practical examples and simple tips so you can recreate these formulas quickly and confidently. Begin by typing equals Sumifs and selecting your sum range first, then add each criteria range followed by its criteria. I will guide you through examples like summing sales over 0, 0, or counting values that contain a specific word using wildcards. You will learn to lock ranges with dollar when copying formulas and to nest expressions for dynamic criteria. These steps will make your spreadsheets more reliable. Try using wildcards for flexible text matching and date functions to handle month or year filters inside Sumifs. I will explain how to reference cells for criteria so you can change conditions without editing formulas. You will also see when to freeze ranges with dollar and how to handle blanks and zeros properly. These practical tricks speed up building reports and reduce formula errors in shared sheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.